Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. I'm so excited for this one, you guys. If you live on planet Earth, then you have definitely heard that there is a Barbie movie out, which is exciting. So I wanted to make some pink Barbie coasters. And I want to try the geode style again. So I've got some hot pink paste, color paste. And then I'm going to use the Let's Resin holographic glitter. I'm obviously going to use the pink. So let me grab that out. Very pretty. So yeah, should be a quick and easy one today. I'm excited for the Barbie movie. I will not be seeing it in theaters because I do not like movie theaters. But I will be seeing it as soon as it's out on VOD. Let me know in the comments if you are also going to be seeing the Barbie movie. Or are you going to do the Barbieheimer thing, where you watch Oppenheimer and Barbie on the same day? Is that you? Are you going to do that? Anyway, alright. So I'm going to get my resin ready, get it all mixed up, and we're going to pour. So, yeah, pretty quick one today, guys. Let's get started. All right, let's demold. I do have a little bit of extra that came over this side. That's totally fine. I can always just chop that off. They're very pretty. But you know, they're not really screaming Barbie to me. So I think what I want to do is I've got some silver vinyl. I think I want to, on my cameo, cut out the letter B in the Barbie font. Add that to the top, and then add a layer of clear on top of that. But let's look at these up close real quick. They're very, very pretty. The glitter looks amazing in it. And I do love the color. But yes, I do think I want the letter B in the center of each of these. So we'll do that. I will cut those out. We will put them on, and then we will mix up some resin, okay? So hang tight. We're almost there. I promise. Alright, friends, top coat is all clear. Now, I couldn't really find an exact Barbie font online, but I did find this one that was just a part of, I think, the Cameo software. But it's really pretty. I really like them. I think they're very cute, very pretty. And yeah. So let me know in the comments below, are you planning to see the Barbie movie? I am. I'm just not a theater person. So I'm going to wait until it's available to buy on Amazon. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a Barbie-licious day. That was terrible. I sincerely apologize. Take care.